Alright, here we go. I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Alright, class, we are going to learn about Mr. Krabs. What is it, Chaos? May I use the bathroom? Yes, you have 4 minutes. Okay, thank you. Alright, I'm going to pull the fire alarm in 3, 2, 1. And that's why most animals. Alright, let's get outside. There's a fire drill. Ooh, I'm scared. It's okay, Blaze. Let's get out there. Alright, everyone in a single fire line? Good. Let's all head back in. Sorry about that. After our fire drill was stupid. Let's Mr. Krabs, can you Alright, whoever pulled the fire alarm was not a drill. Whoever did that incident, please send the suspect to my office. Alright, who pulled the fire alarm? Yes, Knuckles? I think Chaos pulled a fire alarm. Chaos, was that true? Yes. Go to the office now! Hey, Chaos. Were you the suspect who pulled the fire alarm? Yes, I was. You are suspended for 2 months. Chaos, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You are lucky that you didn't get arrested. That's it. You're grounded for 29 months. March upstairs to your room now and think about what you've done. And your video games will be gone during that period.